All right, take two. Oh, hopefully this works. Grab my hammer. Come on, baby, seat. Water. Hopefully we got it.
That looks like it got on good.
It does.
I say we just stir it up, don't we?
Yeah, we'll have to go get more here. It's going.
No, that's good. That's good.
Woo!
Alright.
Take two! Woo. I gotta go get more air in the compressor. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Yesterday we had to fix the back one with plugging it, and we got duct tape to mark it. Put 3 plugs in this thing. And it held there. Got it here this morning, and this one popped off. Have a good day.